I just put on a set of 𝘁𝗫𝐺. I know how to say 𝘁𝗫𝐺. Just put on a brand new set of the 𝘁𝗫𝐺 EXP74CMs, one of the last remaining sets in the world. Curious if any of you have any left. I have some left, but my stockpile is dwindling. They're going slowly though, just because I really, really like my 𝘁𝗶𝐺 octa-core as well. So I may be tuning a little because I just put these on, but boy do they sound good. I'm about to show you possibly the most important lick you will ever learn. This lick is the basis for my understanding of the entire mandolin neck. And I know the title of this video seems clickbaity, but I think by the time you're done watching it, you're going to agree with me that this is maybe the most important and the most valuable mandolin lick you could ever learn. I'm going to start with a short story, and if you don't want to hear it and you just want to learn the lick, jump ahead to the timestamp that Hazel's putting on the screen for you right here. And you don't have to hear the story, but I know some of you want to hear it. You've heard parts of it before. So I went to Camp Bluegrass for the first time when I was 10 years old, and my teachers were Steve Smith and Joe Carr, so no slouches. It was really cool, had a lot of fun, but I was too much of a beginner to keep up even in the beginner class. So I was getting pretty discouraged, and they had a person there on staff named Susan Daly. A bunch of you know Susan because she comes to my live classes, and a whole bunch of you all out there do too. Thank you so much. Starting Monday, the 21st, October 21st, is the short and sweet Mandolin Fills Formula. That is going to be a really cool class. It's 2 sessions, and this video I actually decided to make today so I could send it to the people in that class to get them ready for the class for the licks that we're going to do there, because we're going to do a bunch of cool stuff. But back to the story and the lick. So Susan Daly took me aside and she showed me one lick, and she used White Dove, I think was the example, and she showed me the lick in the key of G in 3/4 time. Just like that. It's that simple. That's the lick, and I'll show you how to play it here in a minute, both in 3/4 and in 4/4. So she shows me this lick, made me happy, got through the week, even went back to class with more confidence and learned some stuff. It's where I learned Roanoke, right out of Steve Smith's class. I still have that handwritten tab from, that would have been like 97 or something like that. So I had a good week and went home and studied this lick. And I didn't really know the neck that well on mandolin or fiddle. And this lick became my understanding, the basis of my understanding for the whole fretboard, because it's built on an arpeggio, and I was able to learn that and branch from there. And no joke, pretty much everything I know how to play is connected to that pattern. So let's jump right into the pattern. Welcome back for anybody who skipped ahead to this part. And if you ever want to catch the story, you can catch it another time. So let's just jump in with the lick. It's really simple. We're going to play it in the key of G to start with, and it is just a G arpeggio. Now Susan showed it to me descending like this. Like that. And I'm going to show it to you ascending first. So we're going to start on the 5th fret of the D string, and then the 2nd fret of the A string, 5th fret of the A string, and then 3rd fret of the E string. Note the fingering here. It's ring finger, index, ring, middle. Now if we're going to play this in 3/4, we'll start with an upstroke. Just like that. And where it would fit in is if you're counting along 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You play right after 2. You count 2 and then start on and. Now the lick is that simple. You can also play it the other direction. So you can start with 3 on the E, and then 5 on the A, 2 on the A, and 5 on the D. It's the exact same pattern, same fingers and everything, and if it's in 3/4, we will start with an upstroke. So now you could be playing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Just like that. And that's the lick. In 3/4, it works exactly that way. Now the low note and the high note are both the name of the key you're in, or it could just be the name of the chord you're playing. In this case, we're in G. This is a G, and this is a G. Making a case for why you should know your note names. You can always get one of those big wall charts. You can still find some of the 𝘁𝗶𝐽 ones that my friend Gerald Jones put together years ago with the help of Joe Carr. So get the wall chart, do whatever you need to do to be able to know where the key notes are, pun intended, I guess, where the key notes are for the keys and the chords you're going to be playing with. So we can take this and we can move it around. Now we'll stick to the key of G for now, If we want to play in the key of G, we have 3 primary chords. Those are G, C, and D. So we just played G. To make it a C lick, we just take the exact pattern you just played. This is closed position, no open chords or no open strings, so you can move all over the neck. We take that exact pattern and move it 1 string toward the ceiling. So now we're starting on 3 of the A, 5 of the D, 2 on the D, and 5 of the G. Or the other way around, 5 of the G, 2 of the D, 5 of the D, 3 of the A. And if we want to turn that 4 chord into a 5 chord, which is your D chord, we've just come from C, we're going to go up to the D chord, you scoot 2 frets up the neck, that away. It's confusing for a lot of people when you start out. This is down the neck, this is up the neck. I've got a video about this. I think it's called Up is Down and Down is Up. Hazel will show you the little thumbnail here and point you in the right direction. We'll put the link in the description as well. So here we're playing in D lick now. We're playing 7 on the G. We'll start with ascending. 7 on the G, still the ring finger here. 4 on the D, index finger still. 7 on the D, ring. 5 on the A, middle. And then the other way around. 5 on the A, 7 on the D, 4 on the D, 7 on the G. So now you've got 3 licks that cover the key of G. And these are all closed positions, so you can move them anywhere. So if you want to play in the key of the K, if you want to play in the K of A, if you want to play in the key of A, then move up 2 frets. This will go around to any key you want. Now, the students in the short and sweet Mandolin Fills Formula are getting a little mini workbook PDF to prepare for class. For anybody watching this on YouTube or Facebook, if you want a copy of that workbook, whether you sign up for the class or not, just email me, hello@playinnately.com, and I'll send you a copy of the workbook so that you can play this lick in all keys and really take it and run with it. If you're liking this lick and want to build on it, definitely sign up for the class. It's October 21st and 28th. It's 2 sessions. It's $75 to sign up. It's 2 75-minute sessions, so really great value for your money. And we're going to chat before and after. It's going to be really fun. So check that out. Hope you'll sign up. Hope to see you there. Now let's go to 4/4. If you want to go to 4/4 time, it's really simple. We'll come back to the G. And here, we're going to play the first note twice. So if we're going ascending, we're going to play 5 on the D twice. Down, up. Now 2 on the A just once. 5 on the A just once. That's down, up. And then 3 on the E, down. So that's. And you can go the other way. So now this lick is in 4/4 time. So if we're playing along, we'd be going 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. That's only one place to put it. You can start this lick on pretty much any beat and it still works well. So you can, if you don't nail it, you're probably still going to sound okay, which is really great. So this lick can be used at the end of solos. On my last video, Cheryl watched all the way to the end, commented, hoping I was going to play something cool at the end, and I don't think I played anything at the end. So here you go, Cheryl. I'm going to throw this lick at the end of a break here. So let's do this. Or you could do it the other way. It also works great for fills. Like I always use "Someone Took My Place with You." Well, someone took my place with you. Now you tell me we are through. It works for so many things, and this could be the only fill lick you ever play, and most people are never going to notice that you're doing the same thing over and over. But if you want to sign up for the class, short and sweet Mandolin Fills Formula, then you can learn a whole bunch of other ones. It's a real nice, compact, easy to learn repertoire of licks to get you 1, 4, 5, 2 minor and 6 minor in all keys. So I hope you'll check that out. But more importantly, learn this lick, practice it, and let me know down in the comments how it went, or you can even email me hello@playinnately.com and tell me how it went as well, or ask questions if you want to. Last thing is there's now a way to schedule a free 15-minute meet and greet with me on my website. So if you've been thinking about taking lessons but you just want to chat about it, we'll meet, we'll talk face-to-face online and talk about your goals. There's no obligation to sign up for a lesson. We'll talk about your goals, see what you want to do and how I can help you. And then we can get started making you a better mandolin player. Or for you fiddle players watching, we can do that on fiddle too. All right, thanks everybody for watching. If you don't mind, subscribe. Most of you are not subscribed that are watching my videos, so it'd be really help out the channel if you can do that. Hit that like button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. And I will see you, a bunch of you in class, Monday, October 21st and 28th. I hope to see you all there. And if I don't, I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye everybody. There you go, Cheryl. Bye.